Welcome back to the annual Masters match. Scores are Calabar High Masters on 7 points, Munro College Masters on 5. You'll have noticed Monroe picked up a point. The answer to the Spanish question, yo iba a la escuela lunes. They said I was going to school on Monday, and that has been accepted as it is also correct. So, it's now time for the speed challenge, in which schools can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Calabar High Masters. Last time you won the competition was in 2012. It's time now for your first minute. In the Bible story of the creation, on which day did God create plants?
30.
Yes. Where in the body are the smallest bones found?
Ears.
Yes. What is the part of speech of the word after in this sentence? After lunch, let's go out for coffee.
Preposition.
No.
Preposition.
That's right. Who is the president of the Jamaican Bar Association?
Tanisha Watkins.
That's right. What is the main language spoken in Norway?
Norwegian.
Yes. What is the name for the mountain range between France and Spain?
Pyrenees.
Yes. What does the musical term mezzo forte mean?
Moderate.
Good.
Sorry?
Moderate load.
Medium loud. Sure, we'll take it. What is the chemical formula for hydrogen cyanide?
H2S.
HCN. What is the next term in the series 1-8-27-64?
128. 125.
Yes, Brad Pitt won an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor in 2020 for his role in which movie?
Pass.
Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. In what year did Christopher Columbus land in the Bahamas?
1492.
1492. The 2 came after the bell, but it is indeed correct. Judges, that one is in your hands. It's a little shouty, guys. All right, little shouty. Be careful with the microphones. Monroe College Masters. The last time Monroe won the competition was in 2017. Yeah, it's time now for your first minute. What was the first thing that God created in the Bible's creation story? Yes. What nerve carries signals from the retina to the brain?
Nerve.
Yes. What part of the speech is the word but in this sentence?
Conjunction.
The girl...
Conjunction.
Yes, the girl knocked on the door, but nobody answered. What cabinet post does Senator Matthew Samuda hold in the Jamaican government?
Water.
And climate change.
And land.
And environment. Incomplete. What is the main language spoken in Suriname?
Dutch.
Yes, name one of the 2 South American countries in which the Atacama Desert is located. Sorry?
Chile.
Yes, or Peru. What does the musical term pianissimo mean?
Soft. Very soft.
I heard several things. I think very soft. Your wrong answer came first. Hydrogen cyanide is sometimes known as which acid? Not the buzzer section yet.
Cyanic acid.
Prussic acid. What is the next term in this series? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
13.
Yes, Joaquin Phoenix won an Oscar for Best Actor in 2020 for his role in which movie?
Joker.
Yes, which island did Christopher Columbus name La Isla Española?
Island?
Sorry?
Watling Island.
No, Hispaniola. Borussia Dortmund is... Germany came, not sure if it was on the bell, so it has been accepted. Good. Well done, gentlemen. Again, a little shouty. All right, the microphones. Anamina, the microphones. Yeah? Well done. Calabar High, it's time now for your second minute. Ajax Amsterdam is a football club in which, yes, who has been called the father of electricity?
Michael Faraday.
Yes, what item in the household is alfombra?
The mat or the carpet or the rug.
Yes, what was the pen name of the author Charles Ludwig Dodgson?
Louis Carroll.
Yes, in which Jamaican parish is the Doctor's Cave Beach?
St. James.
Yes, in the Bible's Lord's Prayer, what do we ask God to give us daily? Yes, the glossectomy is the removal of what human body part? Yes, spell antidote.
A-N-T-I-D-O-T-E.
Yes, who is the next in line to the British throne?
William. Prince William.
Yes, in which Asian country is the Great Wall?
China.
Yes, Moscow is the capital of which country? Yes, to what specific family of instruments does the flute belong?
Woodwind.
Yes, what is the chemical combination of silicon and oxygen called?
Silica.
Yes, reduce the fraction 12 over 28 to its lowest terms.
So this is 6 over 14. Which is 7.
Yes, who directed the... Wrong answer came first, unfortunately. Who directed the film E.T. the Extraterrestrial? What did you say?
Clint Eastwood.
No, it's Steven Spielberg. You see you? Guys, shouty. You understand what I mean by that? Yeah, the kids from Calabar understand what I mean. So just keep it just a little, yeah. All right, I know you're excited. There's literally nothing on the line here, but... All right, Monroe College, it's time now for your second minute. The The principle of buoyancy in physics is directly related to whose principle?
Yeah, Archimedes.
Yes. What item in the household is estufa?
Stove. Nice.
Yes. What was the pen name of the author Eric Arthur Blair?
George Orwell.
Yes. In which Jamaican parish is the Highgate settlement? Yes. What are we told to do in the Bible's fifth commandment?
Honor thy mother and thy father.
Yes. A colectomy is a surgical procedure to remove what human part? Yes. Spell anecdote.
Anecdote.
Yes. Name the king whom Queen Elizabeth II succeeded as the British monarch. Yes. In which Asian country is the kimono a national dress? Yes. What is the capital of Algeria?
Algiers.
Yes. To what family of musical instrument does a mandolin belong?
Percussion.
Strings. What is the splitting of an atomic nuclei called?
Fission. Nuclear fission.
Nuclear fission.
Yes,
Reduce the fraction 240 over 360 to its lowest term.
40 over
2/3.
Yes. Who directed the film Star Wars: The Force Awakens?
Yes.
No, J.J. Abrams. Dame Eugenia Charles is a former political leader in Dominica, correct? Kylian Mbappe plays professionally for which European football club? Yes. What is the...
Well done, man.
Won't have time there. Well done, Monroe. Again, a little shouty. Everybody's excited. I understand. Soon come Calabar. Masters, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Sir Grantley Adams is a former political leader in which Caribbean country? Yes. Kevin De Bruyne played international football for which country?
Belgium.
Yes. What is the name for the spreading of waves as they pass through a gap in an object?
Dispersion.
Diffraction. What number in English is the Spanish 19?
19.
Yes. What does the author J.R.R. Tolkien's initials stand
John
for?
Ronald Reuel.
Sorry?
John Ronald Reuel.
That's right. What traditional dance in Jamaica was mainly performed to commemorate the emancipation of slaves?
Brookings.
Yes. Who in the Bible received the Ten Commandments written by the finger of God? Yes. Which enzyme found in saliva breaks the sugar maltose? Maltase is what I have. Breaks it into glucose. Incorrect. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Is the alliteration correct? Who is the member of Parliament for South Manchester in Jamaica?
Peter Bontin.
Yes. If you have cryophobia, of what are you afraid?
Cold.
Yes. What country has the longest coastline in the world?
Canada.
Yes. Chromatic is the title of a 2020 studio album by which global artist?
Bruno Mars.
Lady Gaga. What is the symbol for the element manganese?
MN.
Yes, MN is correct. Well done, gentlemen. Take a breath. That was your third and final minute. Monroe College Masters, coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. What is the name for the random movement of particles in a liquid? Yes, due to collisions. What number in English is the Spanish 14?
14.
Yes. What does the author R.L. Stein's initials stand for? Robert Lawrence. What traditional dance in Jamaica is performed from the 2nd to the 8th nights of the traditional 9-night observances? Yes. In the Bible, what was the symbol of God's promise to not to destroy the earth by flood? Yes. The enzyme trypsin breaks down proteins into what?
Peptides or
amino acids. What literary device is shown in this sentence? The plates crashed on the floor accidentally. Yes. Who is the member of Parliament for Southwest Clarendon in Jamaica?
Lothian Cousins.
Yes. If you have ophidiophobia, yes, you are fear of snakes. Which narrow strait connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea? That's right. Rare is the title of a 2020 studio album by which global artist? Selena Gomez. What is the symbol for the element tin? Yes. Factorize the expression x squared minus 9x plus 18.
X plus 3 into x minus 6.
No, x minus 3.
Good try, boy. Good
X
try.
minus 6. Well done, though. Very well done. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores are Calabar High advancing to 39 points, Monroe College to 36. Here now is a good word from True Milk. Look at the big picture. Remember why you're working hard. It's for your future. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This annual Masters match in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.